So basically we are going to solve problem statement number 268, missing numbers. Here we will given a number of array, you will given an array with number of enums inside it containing n distinct number from the range of 0 to n, and we have to find which number is missing. So what I have done is I have taken the total sum, that is from the starting of the number to the ending of the number, using the formula which we used in our maths, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. So it will give the total sum which we needed for our total number inside it, which including the number which is missing. And then we will take another variable, that is sum equals to 0, and we will calculate a sum which is already in there. So what we will get from this is we will get a total sum minus sum, and we will return the number which will get return the number which is missing from our array. So this is how the code will be run, and this is the solution of our problem statement number 268.